I will now begin with an overview of the Autodesk Exchange Store. The link to the main Exchange Store page is apps.exchange.autodesk.com. The Exchange App Store is designed to be a one-stop shop for all third-party apps built to use Autodesk products. The idea is to allow for a uniform user experience of the App Store no matter which product app they use, be it Revit, AutoCAD or Inventor. The Revit Exchange App Store is one of the many app stores in the Autodesk Exchange App Store. It allows you to provide apps for Revit 2013 and up. Let me show you the Revit store. In the store, you will see different sections on the page. The most downloaded section, the featured apps section, and quick links to different categories of the apps. At the bottom, you will see different language versions of the App Store. If your apps support non-English versions, your apps will appear in the different language stores. In the bottom right, you will see the link called Exchange Apps Developers. If you click this link, it will take you to the page where you can submit your apps for publication. If you're looking for a specific Revit app, you can search for that app in the search field at the top. For instance, I would like to search for an app called File Upgrader. This will return the search results, and clicking on that link will take me to the page of that app. On the other hand, if you would like to look at all the apps in the Revit App Store, you can click at the Show All link. This will give you a list of all the apps in the Revit App Store currently. Again, you can view each of these apps. As a publisher, you will be providing all the information that appear on these pages when you are submitting your app. For the user of the store, the Exchange Store is designed to have a common look and feel across all Autodesk products. For app developers like you, the store streamlines the process of publishing the app. For example, Autodesk will help you by providing you a common looking help document template and creating installer for your app. Here are some simple images to give you an idea of common user experience for an App Store user. As a developer, you will see that the Exchange Store makes it very easy to publish your apps. Once you submit your app through the Exchange Apps Developers link, we will create the HTML file template based on the information you submit for your app. We will also create the installer for your app. Also, there are a small set of guidelines you will need to satisfy when you're submitting your app. I will explain these guidelines next.